The Idiot, the Wise Man, and the Jug. An idiot may be the name given to the ordinary man who consistently misinterprets what happens to him, what he does, or what is brought about by others. He does this so completely plausibly that, for himself and his peers, large areas of life and thought seem logical and true. An idiot of this kind was sent one day with a pitcher to a wise man to collect some wine. On the way, the idiot, through his own heedlessness, smashed the jar against a rock. When he arrived at the house of the wise man, he presented him with the handle of the pitcher and said, "So-and-so sent you this pitcher, but a horrid stone stole it from me." Amused and wishing to test his coherence, the wise man asked, "Since the pitcher is stolen, why do you offer me the handle?" "I am not such a fool as people say," the idiot told him, "and therefore I have brought the handle to prove my story." A recurrent theme among the dervish teachers is that humanity generally cannot distinguish a hidden trend in events which alone would enable it to make full use of life. Those who can see this thread are termed the wise, while the ordinary man is said to be asleep or called the idiot. This story, quoted in English by Colonel Wilberforce Clark, Divani Hafiz, is a typical one. The contention is constructive, that by absorbing this doctrine through such caricatures, certain human beings can actually sensitize themselves for the perception of the hidden trend. The present extract is from a dervish collection attributed to Piridos Sara, the wearer of the patchwork robe, who died in 1790 and is buried at Mazar-e Sharif in Turkestan.